Hello everyone, welcome. I'm Jimmy of jdflutes. I hope everyone had a wonderful weekend. This flute here I have for sale today, and if you would like it, once your payment goes through, it will ship out the very next business day. And as of right now, I'm offering free worldwide shipping on it. This one here is a special series F sharp tuned to 528 Hertz, and it has been produced from black walnut. Black walnut is a very hard wood, and this flute here, as I said in the past, my flutes, they're not made like a lot of other flute makers' is drones. They have not been they have not been split down the side and then glued together. These here are one-piece flutes. They have been bored out with the gun drill. And this one here, this F sharp here, has been produced with a 1-inch bore. And as you can see, it's a very nice piece of wood. I have my hummingbird fetishes with turquoise eyes, genuine turquoise. It's wrapped with very soft black deer leather. Easy on the mouth, folks. And as you can see on this one here, I've added 3 more extra holes on the right side. And the reason I've done this, that way you can get many different sounds instead of just one drone side. You can get many different sounds. All you have to do is practice with it to get the sounds that you desire. And you can just simply move the leather up and down to play the holes. And I'm going to demonstrate a few of those sounds for you. I'm not going to do a very long video because I have a lot of flutes to go out today. A lot of stuff I need to ship out today, and I got to really hurry up because I had some more drones and stuff I need to make. But this one here also, I forgot to mention, I engraved the hummingbird on the bottom, if you can see it. If you can see that, I have a hummingbird engraved right on the bottom. Very nice flute, folks. And folks, I'm going to let this one here go cheap today. So get up with me if you would like to have this one. It's going to be on sale with free worldwide shipping. But I'm going to do my best to demonstrate it. On the bottom, jdflutes Special Series F sharp 528 Hertz. The frequency of love, folks. Very short sound sample. First, what I'm going to do is cover up all the finger holes and play it that way for you. All you have to do is just slide your leather up like so. Cover up your holes. This will be the easiest way to play this flute. There you go, see? Now you have a solid drone side. holes covered up. Now I'm going to just remove the bottom piece of leather on the right hand side. Just slide it down. Now you have one hole open. You can do more than that with it. Okay, I'm going to open up 2 holes on the bottom. You can do many different things with it. On the third one, just open up all 3 holes. You can play it like a regular Native American flute. I'm going to also show you another way also. Okay, you also can do it like this. So you can do many different things with it, but you just have to practice with those 3 holes to see what sound you would like. But really the easiest way to play it is when you cover up all your finger holes. And then it's very simple. It's a beautiful sounding flute, folks. Like I said, today I will have a really low sale price on it, along with free worldwide shipping. You can reach out to me at jdflutes@yahoo.com, or you may call my business phone number. I have my business phone below this video, and also I have other flutes right now that's still in stock. I'll put the links below this video where you can look at those also. And right now I'm offering free worldwide shipping on all of the flutes. So I hope to hear from you soon. I hope you like this one here. It's a very unique flute. And like I said, you just have to get the hang of it on this side here. But the regular drone side is very easy. And it'll get easier to you as you practice with it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for everything, folks. I hope everyone has a wonderful, wonderful day.